Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this shifter with the help of a part design workbench. And as you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same in FreeCAD. So I will close this file and create a new file. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from my Ko-Fi shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of the sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on an equal interval of a time once the new features came. And once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. So here I have created a new file. Now I will click on the body, and now I will on my origin plane. So as per our 3D drawing, first we will create this base profile. So for this we will select this front plane and click on the sketch, and we'll go to the model tab and press the space bar. And now we will create two circles, and we can see that this outer diameter is of 40. So we will select it, select the diameter option and give the 40, and inner diameter is of 25. So we will select it and give the 25. Now I will move it, and now here we will create a line, and this line having the coincidence relation with this circle. Now we will give this relation with axis as well. Click on coincidence, click on coincidence, and now we will trim this unnecessary geometry. So click on the trim and trim it, and we will come out of the sketch. Now if we see the total length of our part, which is 40, we will select the sketch, click on the pad, and we will give the 40 mm, and from here we will select mid plane, click on OK, switch to the isometric. Now we will create a datum plane at a distance of 45. So we will on our plane, select this mid plane and click on the datum, and from Z direction we will give the 45, and you can see that a datum plane is created. Click on OK. Now we'll click on the origin plane and hide it. Now switch to the isometric, and now we will select our datum plane and click on the sketch. And now if you see, it is a 25, so we will project this edge, we will rotate it and select this one and switch to the right view, and we will hide our datum plane. We will hide our datum plane and edit our sketch. So now we can see that it is a distance of a 25, so we will create a circle and give it a horizontal distance of a 25, and this diameter of 20, so we will select the diameter and give the 20, click on close. And now we will select our sketch, click on the pad, and from here we will select reverse, and from here we will select up to face, and we will select this face, click on OK. And now there is a cut of dia 12.5 at a distance of a 22, so we will select this face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, and now I will create a two circle. One will be equal to the outer diameter, and one more circle which is of a diameter 12.5, so click on it and give 12.5, click on the close. Now we will remove the materials, we will select the sketch and click on the pocket and add the distance of a 22. Now there is a chamfer of 1:45, so we will click on the chamfer, select this edge and give it 1.5, click on OK. And now we will mirror this whole things to the other side. So for this we will select the mirror, and here we will select these three and click on OK. And from here we will select the reference and we will select this our mid plane, click on the OK. So you can see that we have a mirror, this extrude, then cut, and this chamfer on the other side. Now to make these features we will create a datum plane at the distance of a 12 from the face. So we will select the face and click on the datum plane, and in Z direction we will give the 12 mm, but we want in a opposite side, so we will give it -12 and click on OK, switch to the isometric. And now we will select the datum plane. First we will rebuild it, then select the plane and click on the sketch, and now we will project this geometry. We will come out of the sketch and hide this datum plane and again edit the sketch, and we will switch to the wireframe. And now we will create a 3-point arc. here, and we will create a circle at the top, and we will make this circle as a construction, and we can see that center to center distance is a 65. So we will select these 2 points and add the dimension of 65, move it, and we will create a 3-point arc here as well, and this arc is of R38. So we will select the radius and give it 38, and now we will select these 2 points and add the symmetricity. Select this point and the axis, and we will select the 3-point arc, and also 3-point arc at this side, and this radius is of R25. And this axis, and now we will select this arc and this arc and add the tangency, this arc and this arc and add the tangency. Select the radius dimension, and it is already 25. Now if we see here is a coincidence, but there is no any tangency, so we will add the tangency constraint, say tangent, and now our sketch is fully constrained. So we will come out of the sketch, and from here we will switch to the flat lines, and this is of a thickness of 10 mm. So we will click on the pad, and we will reverse the directions and give it a 10 mm. Click on OK, and now this is of a 13 mm thickness. So we will select this face and again create a datum plane at a distance of 6.5. so in Z direction give the dimension 6.5 and give it minus because we want in opposite direction. Sorry, this is a 13, but this is a 10, so we will give the -5. So we have a mid plane here, so we will click on OK, switch to the isometric, and we will rebuild it. We will select our datum plane and click on the sketch. Now we will click on the project geometry, we will project it, and we have got the center. And now I will create a 3-point arc, and I will merge this center, and from here I will switch to the wireframe, and the distance is a 65, which is already because we have merged it. Now we will select this arc and this arc and click on the equal, and we will select this and this and say horizontal, and this one and this one, and add the horizontal. Now we will again create a 3-point arc, and we will merge it, say merge, and now we will select this point and add the horizontal relation. Similarly this one and add the horizontal relation. Now select the line tool, join these 2 points, similarly join these 2 points, and this is extrusion is a 13 and outer diameter is of 38. Let's find out the inner diameter. So to find the inner diameter, if you see here that inner one is given is a 58. So from this point to this point, say horizontal dimension, and say it 58. Now we will close it. I will hide the datum plane and switch to the flat lines. Select the sketch, click on the pad and give it a 13 mm and say it's symmetric to the plane. Click on OK. So you can see that we have successfully modeled this shifter in FreeCAD with the help of a part design workbench, and here is a common note of a fillet and round of R3. So you can give the fillet at desired locations. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.